Hello guys, so we have an update regarding to this ceiling fan. So this ceiling fan is me 5 months, 6 months ago. We buy this at Christmas Day, so it's been working so fine in 5 months. But I cleaned it once only, and I will clean it maybe Saturday or Sunday. So this is the number one power, so it's low power, okay? There, this is my update. So here it's our um, kitchen. It's not our sala. It's not our living room. So it's our um, kitchen. So okay. Wow, it's very good. Mm. Thank you, thank you. I will just update this again for December. Yeah. See that? It's so good. Yeah, okay. Goodbye. It's White Westinghouse. It's White Westinghouse, okay? Yeah. Bye. It's a contemporary trio or a contemporary trio. Okay? Bye bye you.